Hello everybody, Conti here with another video. How to set up your first Google Classroom page. After signing into Google, go to click on the Google Apps icon. Scroll down the application menu to find Classroom. Click on Continue. Select the Edition icon towards the top right corner of the screen. Select Create Class. Tick the box which appears and click Continue. Enter 4 separate details of your class page so that students can recognize this. The class name is the only mandatory field in this particular section. Click Create. As we can see in the stream page here, the section that we added in the previous details window appears as a subheading below the main class name. Should students wish to join your own class through the Google Classroom window, they will be prompted for a class code, which they can get from below the class name on your stream page. This code can also be displayed in full screen. The subject and room details can also be displayed from the top part of the stream here by clicking on the arrow which appears towards the bottom of the theme picture. The theme itself can also be changed using the Select Theme option. Select your theme option from the gallery and then click on Select Class Theme. Should you wish to use your own theme, go to Upload Photo instead of Select Theme, and go to identify a particular photo from your File Explorer window or drag and drop a photo into the Google Classroom window here. And your class page is prepared. The class that you have created can also be found from a menu button in the top left corner of your Google Classroom page. And when you go to the Google Classroom homepage, you should find a set of links for all classes that you have created. Going to the Options menu and selecting Edit will enable you to make changes to your class details. The class page can also be duplicated. And to remove a class from your Classroom page, go to Archive. To delete permanently, go to the options in the top left corner, Archived Classes, select the option menu and go to Delete, or Restore to bring this back to your Classroom homepage. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.